Oh my god. I don't even know what that one looks like. Hello everyone, it's Amanda. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a very fun drawing challenge that I've been seeing floating around. It's the drawing Pokemon from memory challenge. I'm not exactly sure if that's the official title of the tag/challenge, but that's what I'm calling it. Anyways, I'm very excited because this video is actually sponsored by Pokemon Detective Pikachu, the movie, and Warner Brothers Canada. If you guys haven't seen anything about this movie yet, definitely check out the trailers. I am so excited for it. It's the first ever live action Pokemon movie. Pikachu has come to life and actually speaks in the movie. Ryan Reynolds is actually the voice of Detective Pikachu. I have grown up on Pokemon. Every single day before we'd go to school when I was a kid, we'd watch the Pokemon episode. I had the cards, I had the games, and this movie is just gonna like take it full circle, and I'm definitely gonna feel like a kid again when I go see it. Let me know if you guys are excited as I am to go see Pokemon Detective Pikachu, because I know that I must have some fellow Pokemon fans. But without further ado, let's get right into this drawing challenge. All right, so here's the deal. This is how it's gonna work. I have a bunch of Pokemon names in this bowl here. They're all folded up and written down, and I'm gonna pick one and try to draw it from my memory. I'm feeling a little bit confident right now. I know I probably shouldn't be saying that because that's gonna kick me in the butt later, but I feel like I know all of the Pokemon and what they look like, especially the original 150, because I had a book when I was a kid that had all of the original 150 Pokemon in it, and I definitely studied it very often, so I feel like those are just like permanently in my memory, but whether I can transfer those onto paper is a whole other thing. We'll see. Let's get started with the first one. I hope we get Pikachu first because I feel like Pikachu is like the classic. Okay, we got Bulbasaur, one of my favorites. Iconic, classic. Now that I actually have like a blank paper in front of me and I have to draw, I'm feeling a lot less confident. I know that I think it has ears. It has ears, right? It must, yeah. I think it's something like this. It's a cute round face. And then the classic little like bulb that kind of looks like a dumpling. Oh my god, what does his feet look like? I feel like something like that. Like, I feel like his feet are pretty stumpy, like his legs, I mean. Does Bulbasaur have a tail? I can't remember. Oh my gosh, this is gonna kill me. Okay, well, let's draw the eyes first and then I'll figure it out. I think it's probably something like that. Oh no. This doesn't look that great. Definitely not Bulbasaur. I feel like it has a tail, right? Am I tripping? Like those Vine Whips, because there's like there's an attack that he does that's called Vine Whip. Maybe that's the tail, right? Okay, that's definitely wrong. He definitely doesn't have a tail. As soon as I did that, I realized he does not have a tail. Or if he does, it's like probably like a little stumpy one, like that or something. But we'll make these his vines. I'll put another one. Like that's when he attacks. Okay, and then he has a nose. Oh my gosh, no. Whenever I do something, I'm like, no, that's definitely not it. Maybe like a little mouth. Why does it look like a cat? This is not Bulbasaur. And I know he has like a pattern, like triangles and stuff, I think. Okay, that does not look like Bulbasaur at all. Bulbasaur is like one of the cutest Pokemon and I am butchering it. Okay, should I color it in? Obviously getting the exact shades of the Pokemon is gonna be hard, but I'm gonna try to do it as close as possible. I know for a fact this thing on his back is green, so we can color that in. And then I think his body is like a blue shade, right? Or is it also light green? Oh my god, it might be light green. That looks correct. Honestly, if I cover the head, that looks correct to me. Am I wrong? I don't know why, but like the color blue is sticking in my head, but then Squirtle is blue, and like would they put two blue Pokemon as like the starter Pokemon? I think it would be green because it's a grass type Pokemon. I guess I will do a green. I think it's like a lighter shade. Oh no. Okay, so this green is definitely not like the exact shade of green, but what matters is that I am confirming the fact that I think Bulbasaur is all green. Cute. All right guys, so here's my finished Bulbasaur. I'm feeling pretty good about this one. Like the face is definitely wrong. I just can't picture what the face looks like, but if you cover the face, I feel like that looks pretty close to what Bulbasaur looks like. Anyways, drum roll please. Here is the comparison. I was right. So Bulbasaur is kind of like a shade of blue. It's like a minty greenish blue. Man, I was so close. I should have just went with my gut, but I went with logic and that didn't work out for me. I got like the little thing on his back, classic, and I was correct about the vines, like these little vines. Ugh, man, I'm really bummed about the blue because it would have looked so much more like Bulbasaur if it wasn't for that shade of green. So that was Bulbasaur. I mean, Pokemon should hire me as their illustrator because this is what they're missing out on apparently. If I were to rate myself, I think I'd give myself like a 7.5 out of 10 because overall I feel like if someone were to see this, they would definitely be able to tell that I was trying to draw a Bulbasaur. There's just a couple little details that are off, like the color and the face, but everything else pretty good. All right, we're off to a strong start. Let's do another one. Okay, we got Mr. Mime. I think Mr. Mime is so funny, and in the trailer for the movie it looks like he's gonna be a very funny character. Now I'm just trying to remember what he looks like. I know he has like a blue hat thing, pink sleeves, and like a white body, and then very like skinny arms. Wow, this is a lot harder than I thought. He definitely has kind of like a round-ish head, and then that hat is like, it's like a jester hat, right? I think it's like that. And there's like two. I know there's two. Yeah. Okay. That looks good to me so far. He has like a kind of smaller eyes, I think. Like a funny little smile. Oh no, that looks wrong now. The main thing I remember is the sleeves. There's definitely like red sleeves going on, red puffy sleeves. And I think he has like buttons like that, right? Does he have pants though? He must have pants. I mean, actually, Pokemon kind of break all the rules of like etiquette of pants wearing. Maybe he has like puffy matching pants. He does have like arms like this though, right? And then he has like hands that are like gloved. That's the main thing because like that's where his powers come from. The hands are definitely big. I remember them being very big when I was a kid. Something like that. Honestly, from what I can remember, I feel like this is pretty accurate. I know the joints have like weird things because he's always like very angular. So let's do that again for the feet. What do his feet look like? Does he have like boots on? I think he has boots, like probably like that, right? Let's try to color it in. Blue at the top. I think his boots are also blue, if I'm not mistaken. So we'll color those in blue. Like I said before, he has like pink sleeves. And I'm pretty sure if the pants are correct, I'm not sure if he actually does have pants, but if he did, they would probably be matching to the sleeves, right? So we'll throw those in there. Are the gloves blue? It looks kind of plain white. I think they're blue. Okay, we'll color those in blue. Here he is. This is my version of Mr. Mime. Final reveal. Drumroll, please. Oh, okay. All right, a couple of things. I got the color palette right as I expected, like the blue and the pink. Oh wow, he does have pants. Good thing I threw that in there. So pink pants and like the blue everything else. The gloves are actually white, which I was so sure that the gloves were blue for some reason. And then the boots, he has like a bit more of like a pointed upwards. But other than that, like the essence is correct. But for some reason, I thought Mr. Mime was like a lot taller and lankier, which is why I drew him like almost human-like. But apparently he's a lot more short and stout. I don't think it's as good as the Bulbasaur, so I'm probably gonna give myself like a 6 out of 10, maybe. 6.5 out of 10. I keep giving myself half points. That one was fun. I like that one. Okay. Next, what did we get? Oh my gosh, Jigglypuff. I'm very excited because Jigglypuff actually used to be one of my favorite Pokemon when I was a kid. I think it's still one of the cutest as well. How can you not like Jigglypuff? Jigglypuff sings you to sleep, cute and small and round and pink. There's just a lot of cuteness going on. I think I can do this one very well because I used to be obsessed and I had like a little Jigglypuff coin purse. I remember it so vividly. So we gotta do the iconic round shape, little curl. The eyes is what's like bugging me. I can't remember how big they are. I know they're pretty big. They must be. Probably like that, I would say, right? Yeah, this looks about right to me. And then oh my gosh. Okay, I'm taking myself back to my childhood, trying to remember Jigglypuff. The mouth, I don't think Jigglypuff has a nose, but the mouth is definitely very small. Arms, and then I think the feet are just like that. That's right, right? Jigglypuff. Coloring in Jigglypuff is the easy part. It's not as difficult as remembering the color palette for the other ones because obviously, I think we all know Jigglypuff is pink. How did the Pokemon artists make the eyes look cute? I feel like all of the eyes that I've been drawing have been very scary. Maybe I should just like make the pupil bigger That might help a little bit. And we're good to go. Okay, my version of Jigglypuff from my memory. I already know that this one's probably pretty accurate, but we can still do the reveal. 1, 2, 3. Cute. Oh my gosh. As I expected, did pretty good on this one. Oh right, I forgot Jigglypuff's iconic blue eyes. Definitely should have colored in those eyes blue. I think this one's probably the closest out of the ones that we've done so far. So I think I'm gonna give myself like a 9 out of 10 for this one because it's pretty similar. The only things are like the blue eyes. 9 out of 10, and I think that's probably gonna be the best score I get throughout this whole video because Jigglypuff is probably the easiest one. All right, I'm gonna do one more, the final one. Hopefully I get Pikachu because Pokemon Detective Pikachu. But let's see. I got Ludicolo. Oh my gosh, no. I don't even know what that one looks like. I can't remember it for some reason. I know it's like kind of green and yellow, I think, if I'm remembering correctly. This one's gonna be hard. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get this one. Ludicolo. Is that the one with like the pineapples and like the palm trees? Oh my god. I was doing kind of well up until now. For some reason, the one that has like the 3 heads and the palm trees is in my head. I don't know if that's right. I might be completely off, but we're gonna have to go with it. Do you guys know which Pokemon I'm talking about? And there's like 3 heads. Is that Ludicolo? Ludicolo. Maybe if I say it enough, I'll remember. And then it has like 1 body, right? What am I drawing? I don't even think this is right. Palm trees at the top. Some of you guys are probably like screaming at your computer telling me what Ludicolo is. I'm just gonna commit to this. This is a Ludicolo? Question mark. And then these palm leaves at the top are definitely green, so we'll color those in. It doesn't help that the Pokemon that I'm trying to draw, I also don't have a very distinct memory of it, so I could be getting it also completely wrong. I might just be making up a new Pokemon here, but for some reason this is really sticking out in my head right now. Oh my gosh, this looks so weird. I definitely don't think this is Ludicolo, but maybe it is. Maybe like some weird chance it is. I'm excited to see how incorrect I am. 1, 2, 3. What? Wait, what is that? Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, I remember the Pokemon now. Oh my god. I remember Ludicolo now. You know, okay, I can see how my brain did this. It's kind of like green and yellow and brownish, but I just thought of this Pokemon. What was the name of this Pokemon again? The one that I drew? Does it exist? Yes, it does exist. I was thinking of Executor. So yeah, that was incorrect. For this one, I'm gonna have to give myself a 0 because I was drawing the wrong Pokemon. I'm so mad at myself that I didn't remember what Ludicolo looks like. I feel like out of all of them, I should be able to get this one the closest because Pikachu is Pikachu, so let's do it. I know he has like cute little cheeks and then his ears. The ears have black tips. The iconic Pikachu ears. He definitely has like a little cute nose. His little mouse mouth. Then his eyes. The eyes is where I always kind of like mess up because each Pokemon kind of has different style of eyes. Why does that look wrong? The eyes are so hard. Little arms. I know his feet are like kind of longish, right? Kind of like that. This is like, okay, the eyes, I think the eyes, I was doing so well until the eyes. And then we gotta do the Thunderbolt tail. What am I missing? What's off about this? Oh, okay, I know the tail has like a darker, the eyes are wrong. I know the eyes are wrong. I think the pupils are bigger. Okay, that kind of looks a little bit more like Pikachu. I think the eyes are too big now. Oh no, I have to commit. We gotta do it. Gotta keep going. Obviously, Pikachu is yellow. And then finally, of course, the iconic red cheeks that we have to add in. Okay, not my best drawing. It's definitely a little sloppy, but again, I'm just trying to do them pretty quick. So I'm feeling pretty great about this one. Oh, since it's Pokemon Detective Pikachu, let's add his little detective cap. I remember seeing him wear this in the trailer. All right, here's the reveal. I'm feeling pretty great, honestly. 1, 2, 3. Again, as I suspected, the eyes are incorrect. I should draw them smaller and maybe a bit farther apart, but overall, pretty good. I think this one's like on the same level as Jigglypuff, so probably like a 9 out of 10 as well. Alright guys, so that was the drawing Pokemon from memory challenge. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I feel pretty great about the results and how I did. There was a couple hiccups along the way. Ludicolo, I'm looking at you, but overall I feel like I have confirmed the fact that I am very knowledgeable about Pokemon, and there's a lot of Pokemon stuff stored up here in my mind from my childhood. Anyway, thank you again to Warner Brothers Canada for sponsoring this video. It was so much fun to make. You guys should actually try out this drawing challenge as well. Try to draw some Pokemon from your memory, post a picture of it. I'd love to see how you guys did. If you do post it, tag me in it, and also use the hashtag Detective Pikachu. I think that's pretty much it for me. Have a great day, keep doodling, and don't forget to check out Pokemon Detective Pikachu in theaters on May 10th.